So kule weekend le Orlando Pirates iyodlala against the Al Ahly, the football African giants. Some call them the Real Madrid of Africa, ama-defending champions e-Champions League. So ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction mase ngithola ithuba isona scheme mina engasetha. It's been a while since I did i-lineup prediction, so namhlanje ngizoyishaya. So epalini ngaqalisa one of the best goalkeepers i-Orlando Pirates eseke yaba nabo in the last 5 years, Sipho Chine. Yabo Sipho Chine bafethu umfana lo wase-Free State ofike wazakhela idumo ku-Orlando Pirates wathatha ijezi ku-Richard Ofori. Yabo umjida since samfaka kuleya position uyazivimbela impela, and I wouldn't mind, ngisasho namanje I wouldn't mind ukuthi simnikeze ibhande lokuthi awu captain, because uyakwazi manje ukucommanda atshele ama-defenders akhe ukuthi enzeni. Amaphutha abanawo useyakwazi ukwalungisa. Yabo useyakwazi manje ukuphuma abambe ibhola mekushawa ama-set pieces, which is something abeleka kuyona kakhulu. So ngaqalisa yena nje wasodlala against the Al Ahly. I so wish uButhelezi naye uyapick up iform yakhe mfethu ayithole igame time, because mase kulimale lo mjida lo mfethu singaba senkingini actually. Yabo so kule game ibaluleke kakhulu, kumele siuthole 3 points, sikhombise sisend message kulama team akhona aqualifyile for ama quarter finals ukuthi kahle kahle thina njwasila aswinanga ngephutha lapha kulama games sasiwadlala before size sifike la. Yakuma phela sasha othi lama team la oJoining Galaxy sesifike la. I think iyona kuphela i-team esakhona kuma first rounds e-Champions League. Yabo ewinile group. I think iyona kuphela Orlando Pirates, and first sina 11 points. So ipalini bafethu sengikhuluma kakhulu ngaqalisa lo mjida lo Sipho Chine kuthi kuma center backs wami. Ma center backs wami ngifuna ukukhuluma lento la bafethu. Ma center backs wami ngaqalisa uSibisi beno Sesane. Sibisi beno Sesane defensive partnership yabo isisebenzelile defensive partnership yabo, but I feel like kule game le mase njwa soyidlala into ezoshaya kakhulu kule game le. Le team esodlala nayo iyathanda ukusebenzisa ama set piece, so I feel like yonke ezoshaya kakhulu because ama defenders wethu owuthu mafishane siyazi ukuthi hlezi so bazosibamba kuma set piece, amabhola ahamba phezulu. Yabo so ngingamdinga lo mjida lo uSipho Chine uthi aphuma abamba amabhola. Ngingamdinga phela uthi aphuma abamba amabhola. So kulama defender bayasebenzela abajida phansi phezulu. I feel like ngathi bangasebenzisa ukuthi bakwazi ukudefenda phezulu. Al-Ahly imnandi ngempela mebezodlala ibhola lihamba phezulu. Siyabona ngosikhathi sidlala against CR phezulu that they capitalize lapha esebenzisa ama set piece kakhulu. I feel like bazosebenzisa leyo nto leyo. Yabo bayasazi ukuthi mhlambe sileka lapho ekudefending. So i-right back yami kule game le ngasebenzisa lo mjida lo Van Rooyen. Van Rooyen is one of the best signings esawenzile kule season le. Hlezi ngikhuluma Van Rooyen bafethu, ngiyamazi nonke Van Rooyen. Kule game le bafethu, kule game it is important ukuthi Van Rooyen kumele ahlale emuva a defend. Yes, I know uyakwazi ukukhuphuka ephambili, singamsebenzisa futhi uthi umjida akwazi ukukhuphuka ephambili edama numbers phezulu, but kule game limele enze sure uthi kunabadlala kumele amamaki. Yabo kumele enze sure ukuthi uyasala emuva. So kule game le ngaqalisa yena kusika left back same as Van Rooyen. These players badlala ibhola elicishe elifana. Yabo indlela yokudlala kwaHotho beno Van Rooyen bacishe bafana indlela abadlala ngakhona. So nakule game le uHotho mina ngimthanda medlala as left back because uba nayo iroom yokuthi akwazi ukurana ephambili aede amabhola phezulu. Yebo so uHotho mina ngamqayisa as left back. Ungangitshela wena kuma comments ukuthi uHotho uthanda edlale as left winger noma as left back. Ungangitshela lapho ngibhalele mina ngimthanda edlala as left back kodwa ke because ngijwayele ukumbona ucoach mezomdlalisa as left wing. Ngibuke ninake nani leyo nto, asinikeze lento esiyifunayo. Yebo mhlawumbe abantu bangasho ukuthi Vane uyathanda umdlalisa as left back. Ubuka unaka ucoach even in big games. Lento hlezi ngisho bafethu, even in big games ucoach umbeka as left back, sometimes as winger, but kule game le mesimdlalisa as defender because uyakwazi ukudefenda. Usedlalele kakhulu leya position since kwalimala uMarco, and I know Marco usebuyile, but kule game le ngingamfaka umjida noma mhlawumbe ucoach uyocabanga ukuba defensive afake ischeme esicwempu umjida amphusha ephambili mase uthi uMarco adla as left back singesazi. Yabo siyamazi Jose Rivero is full of surprises when we are playing big games, but kule game le it's a must win game. I'm still saying now it's a must win game. Yes, angimele sifile pressure kakhulu, sesiqualifyile singabalimazi abadlali mhlawumbe bazoba physically, but this is a must win game. Yabo kumele sikhombise impela ukuthi kahle kahle sesifikile kwi-CAF, sizokhombisa labo ade beyidoubt Orlando Pirates ukuthi ngeke izifinyelele kuma quarter finals. batshela ukuthi cha sizosetha i-record straight la yabo mase siwine against i-Al Ahly dlala home lokho kuzonikeza abadlali i-confidence ukuthi cha mase siyodlala nama-team amanye anzima kule competition away singakwazi overcome yabo sithola ama-wins mase size center kunabadlali abawu-2 aba-consistent Mbatha and Makhehleni Makhawula. Talent Mbatha and Makhehleni Makhawula. I don't want to talent Mbatha kule game abanama mistakes asha uvalo. Angimdingi utalent Mbatha onovalo. Sidlala away against iCRB Zoltatu talent Mbatha wayenamatata. Sidlala away against iStade Abidjan. Talent Mbatha again lapha. Yebo wayetatazela. Kule game le ngidinga utalent Mbatha mfethu o top because eswini sobedlala team isise Al Ahly sinzima isise Al Ahly so ngiyabadinga abajida befit uMakhehleni Makhawula angifuni ukukhuluma uMakhehleni Makhawula kakhulu bafethu umsebenzi uyasinikeza uMakhehleni Makhawula nini imbone emedlalo lomjidelo bafethu ngathi wakhelwa kona uthi adlale center yabo ugifted kakhulu lamjidelo medlala eswini so ngabaqalisa bawu2 bayakwazi ukudlalisana yabo ade saqala ukubadlalisa ade sasiyidinga icombination lapha eswini engine yethu le yasebenzela currently since kwalimala uMiguel team uMakhehleni Makhawula usayibambele leya position uqinile lapha eswini so ngabaqalisa bawu2 kule game wangitshela wena ama-comments ukuthi ungaqalisa ba eswini yabo obaba obungabaqalisa kule bench esobe sinalo central attacking midfielder yami I know abanye abantu bengakhetha umunye umdlali but for me uyena umdlali bafethu angisoze kamlahle each and every lineup engishayayo ubunaka uhlale khona Thomas Wangayi yebo uhlale khona Thomas Wangayi Thomas Wangayi is one of those players ongarely kubona yebo umudinga some creativeness isingisi sibale but yabo lo mjidelo uyakunikeza leyo nto mfethu yabo so ngamqayisa number 10 wami mfethu uyena umuntu mfethu ovula icapha ivaliwe yabo uyena akhiwe Orlando Pirates sinayo ingidi la eswini okuMakhehleni Makhawula benombatha yena uyisikhiyi ukuthi avule amagoli phambili mengekho ufana ukuthi isikhiyi asikho angazi noma ngiyayenza ini sense ufana njengamafutha kukhiye kwingidi ingidi imivaliwe uvela afaka amafutha mase kuyavuleka kube lula ukuthi kuvuleke uyinte kanjalo kwelomjida lo mase kuthi ku right winger yami ngaqalisa unkota the reason why ngiqalisa unkota I didn't see uSaling kulama videos lawa kuyiwa le eCairo I didn't see Monapule Saling asazi kwenzakalani behind the scenes so umfana ngamqalisa yizo umfana buya aba nema issues ongalidedela ibhola ngikwabona ama comments abafana ama fans esho ukuthi umfana alidedela ibhola kumele alungise kuleyo nto umfana ashesha dedela ibhola soon yebo noma akhahleleke ngiyamazi uyathanda ukukhahlela yebo futhi uyakwazi ukushutha afuqe yebo so ibhola ngathi alidedela adlalisane nama teammates wakhe left wing I don't wanna speak a lot about left wing yethu semazi sonke bafethu uMfukeng one of the best players with Orlando Pirates Mfukeng idlala left wing so ngaqalisa yena namhlanje kule game yakusasa so ku left wing yami ngaqalisa yena lo mfana lo Mfukeng is one of the best players ku Best Premiership so far yabo balebe no Ikram Reyners bantswempu kule season so far so ngamqalisa lo mjida lo mfethu ngawuthi kusasa mfethu ngaba ne game emnandi kakhulu because igame yakusasa I'm sure izobubukelwa njengale game beyidlala against iAl Ahly futhi I feel like bazowenza ihomework for labafana labo bowu2 yabo ihomework for unkota benomfukeng if you remember le game esayidlala against iStellenbosch I feel like bazobheka lawo ma games uthi yini eyenza ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingabi like fluid up front yabo bazozama ukubavala labafana bowu2 I'm sure ucoach unayi plan ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bayipenetrate idefense eAl Ahly noma so defender lapha singisazi striker sami sniper mfethu sniper ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu sniper lesisiphambili ngizofaka lo mjida lo umabasi uyakwazi ukudlala phambili uyakwazi ukushutha isona striker esisidingayo yebo so iyona line up yami ke le yebo ngangitshela ama comments wena uthi yipi line up ongayisetha uma wasuthola ithuba yipi line up ongayisetha epaleni nginoSepho Chine defender Sibisi Nsesane Hotho and Van Rooyen Makhehleni Makhawula and Mbatha Tito Mfukeng Kota and Mabasa wangitshela ama comments uVane Sports lo ungakhohlwa usubscriber ngiyatholakala ka Facebook ngoVane Sports naka YouTube nguVane Sports and futhi na Instagram nguVane Sports. Ngiyabonga.